Bridgestone were asked by Alfa Romeo to develop a high-performance run-flat tyre for their award-winning Giulia Veloce, a car designed with Italian passion and a promise to excite the owner. With optimal weight distribution and a cutting-edge suspension system, the car possesses an exclusive power-to-weight ratio. Alfa Romeo set an ambitious target for the Giulia Veloce's driving dynamics without compromising on other areas of performance. Not all car owners buy purely on performance. Safety is an ever-increasing factor, and that's where we at Bridgestone play our part. In partnership with Alfa Romeo, we have developed a 19-inch low-profile run-flat tyre, an option that can be factory-fitted when the car is built to your order. The specialist team of engineers and technicians closely studied the car's behaviour and demands, implementing our know-how within the superior sports car performance of the Veloce. Bridgestone has the right technologies to rise to the challenge. Together with Alfa Romeo, we worked on developing a tyre specifically focused on using our run-flat technology. Run-flat delivers great value for its end users. To illustrate this point, 23 to 25% of punctures happen after nightfall, when 90% of customers lose on average 3 hours fixing the problem. With run-flat, however, this prolongs mobility even after a puncture, providing peace of mind and safety for the driver and its passengers. Nails, glass, curb edges and potholes are just a few of today's hazards that can turn our journey into a nightmare. But with run-flat technology, you can ensure the continuation of your travels. Here at our proving ground, we're able to simulate a puncture with this sudden air loss device. This system will allow us to instantly deflate the pressure in a selected tyre. The chances of you having a puncture with complete instant loss of tyre pressure is unlikely, so test driver Aitor Amethkita will be demonstrating the worst-case scenario.
I reach a speed of 135 km per hour, maintain the speed, turn into the corner with a fixed steering wheel angle and activate the sudden air loss system. Once the tire deflates completely, you just hear a sound of noise coming out and have a small wobble in the car, but it's completely controllable by anybody. There's an internal rubber insert in the sidewall of the tire, and this holds the load of the car and the people inside. With the standard tire, I again reach the same speed of 135 km per hour. I enter the same way, but this time with the sudden air loss, the car has a much more violent reaction, forcing me to stop. With a run-flat tire, you have a small yawing effect, whereas with a standard tire, you have oversteer.
The reality is that with a Bridgestone run-flat tyre, you won't even notice you have a puncture, and this is where the tyre pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, is called into action. You're alerted on the visual display. You should then lower your speed to an acceptable level for peace of mind and, crucially, safety. We're all aware of the perils and inconvenience of changing a flat tyre, but with run-flat, you're free to continue your journey cautiously, in control, and clear of any dangerous situation. To give you an idea of the impressive run-flat technology, once you reduce your speed following a puncture to the maximum of 80 km an hour, you can carefully travel up to 80 km in distance on the tyre. That distance represents the equivalent of 20 laps on the Bridgestone test oval. The Bridgestone team is proud to have contributed their run-flat technology to the success of the amazing Alfa Romeo Giulia Veloce. These state-of-the-art run-flat tyres aren't just a dry conditions option. They're equally proficient in wet weather situations, making them a year-round solution, making run-flat tyres a safer option than standard tyres.